Hazrat Ali described about gratitude as shukrun ni'mati amanun fi halun nikma. Gratitude for blessing is protection from the coming of suffering. Shukrun ni'mati ijtinabul maharim. Gratitude for blessing is avoidance of haram. Ashukro yazidun na'im. Gratitude increases blessings. Hazrat Ali further said, Al-Karimo yashkurul kalila wal-la'imo yakfurul jazil. A gentleman is grateful for even a little, and a mean and ignoble fellow considers many as inadequate. Shukrul alimi ala ilmihi amalahu. A scholar's gratitude for his knowledge is to act upon his knowledge. إذا كثرت يدك عن المكافآت فآت لسانك بالشكر. When you can't repay someone's kindness like him, then extend your tongue in thanksgiving. وأكثر أن تنظر إلى من فضلت عليه فإن ذلك من أبواب الشكر. People who are lower than you, look at them more, because it is a way for you to perform gratitude. You receive a few blessings, don't ungratefully chase them away before they reach you.